So yeah, so let me know who Rydell Forever is, because I could just be having a blank moment right now.
It's from Greece!
Well then, oh my gosh, now I feel dumb. I'm just gonna throw these little hearts. Fatality! Finish him! Beep! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave to stay updated with future videos. Today's video is a Fortune Cookie Soap unboxing for September 2018. I love Fortune Cookie Soap. I get like my monthly dose of fun bath products and sometimes some skincare and some other fun little products as well. It's a very diverse subscription. I love the variety of products that Fortune Cookie Soap curates every single month. Without further ado, let's jump in. Ooh, hello. All right. Well, the pamphlet was really exciting. September's theme is the Rydell Forever handbook, or is it Riddle Forever? So we're just gonna open up the tissue, and it smells really good, whatever is in this box. So, I'm gonna use my pamphlet as a guide. So the first product right here is the You're the One That I Want Microdermabrasion Scrub. Okay, this stuff is gonna be really good, I can tell. I love microdermabrasion, I love scrubs, I love exfoliating, I love getting my dead skin cells off my face, getting my pores clean, the whole 9 yards. So I have high hopes for this. Let's just see if we can get, ooh, I like the little pink dots. Can you see the pink dots? And that's what the inside looks like. Very sweet scent to it. I need to try this. Ooh, I'm getting some product everywhere. I need to try this out ASAP. Okay, the next product, we have the Pink Lady Wax Tarts. These are really cute. I love the heart shapes. And these are just your typical wax melts to put in a wax warmer. So I'm really excited to see how these smell. This is like, I have like Valentine's Day vibes going on right now. I think this would have been a really cute box for February. So I'm not sure if this has like a significance for the month of September, but it's really cute. There's pink. I'm loving it. The next product is T-Bird's Shower Steamer. I wonder if this is similar, because I know like there's bath bombs for baths and it fizzes up, and now they have some shower bombs to where, you know, it gives like a fresh burst of scent in your shower. Okay, yeah, it is similar. Okay, well, the word steamer threw me off, that's why. Take a hot steamy shower, unwrap and toss the shower fizzy on the floor to the back of your shower out of the steam of water. And this tablet will fill your shower with a blend of essential oils that will last long after the tablet dissolves. Awesome. I'm really excited to see how this works. Oh, it has like a very like jasmine smell to it too. So I think my shower is gonna be smelling great after this. And I'm curious to know how long it will last. So that's something I might keep a tally of. The next product is the Tell Me About It Stud Dry Oil Spray. I'm not exactly sure what oil spray is, so let me get my little reference guide here. Our dry oil spray is a great way to get soft, scented skin that lasts all day. Similar to a spray lotion, which is quickly absorbed when sprayed and rubbed onto your skin. Alternatively, light mist on your hair or hairbrush to control frizz. Yes, I have a lot of frizz. Maybe it'll help my baby hairs. Maybe it will help my dead ends. So, oh, I got ahead of myself. Spray under your hair or hairbrush to control frizz, condition split ends, and make your hair smell amazing. Let's just demonstrate on the hand real quick. Ooh, man. Yes. 1,000 times. Yes. I think this is a great scent for fall. It has like a very fall scent to it. This box has been amazing so far. Like, I'm loving every single product. Usually, like in every subscription, you're always gonna have like a couple products that are just kind of like meh. But I'm loving just like diversity right now. I have stuff for my face. I have stuff for, you know, make my house smell really good. I have stuff to make my shower smell really good. And then I have something to help my hair, or something to hydrate my hair, hydrate my skin. I just love like a box with very good variety of products. The next product is the Summer Loving Aloe Me Whipped Cream. This is gonna come in handy when we go to Kauai next month, because I know I'm gonna be wanting to be in the sun and Griffin burns really easily. So, okay, this might make a mess if I open it. Let me show you the bottom. I've received a few of these from Fortune Cookie Soap in the past, and these are like the aloe with the lotion, and you just mix it up really well, and it's just a really refreshing way. If you do get sunburn, you're getting moisture and also like the aloe relief of the burn. So I'm a huge fan of these. Oh, I forgot one of my little wax tarts. So we have 2 products left, and the next product is the Grease Lightning Hemp Seed Leave-In Conditioner. I love leave-in conditioner because I have a lot of hair, and sometimes it's really hard for me to moisture all of it, and I look a little excessive when I apply detangler or leave-in conditioner, dry shampoo, honestly any hair product, because I'm just like douse, 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 douse. I shower at night, so I like to apply some of this in my damped hair, brush it through, and then the next morning my hair will feel a lot softer. Leave-in conditioner helps it make, like, it takes a lot to grease up my hair, so I can't really have a good assessment if it causes greasiness to the hair. I know it says greased in the product name, but I don't think it's supposed to grease up your hair. With the amount of product I put in my hair, I'm surprised it doesn't grease up faster. It's just, that's how much hair I have. But I do love leave-in conditioner because it's a great way for someone with really thick, coarse, brittle, and just a lot of hair. I'm a huge fan of the Fortune Cookie Soap leave-in conditioners. And then we have one last product left, and it is the Sandra D Shower Smoothie. What is a shower smoothie? I don't think I'm supposed to, you know, in the shower, but let's see. How it works. A soothing and conditioning body wash. Ooh, yes. Luxurious oil soften and cleanse the skin. Sweet. It's like a body wash. You use it in the shower on the wet skin, rubbing it on the skin for a nice lather. Gently rinse away with warm water. Okay, so body wash essentially. It's a little bougie with the luxurious oils in it. So I'm really excited to see how this works. Can I just rip the top off? It smells like cotton candy. Okay, I'm really pumped for this. This box, I can just get a lot of use out of this. Sometimes with some of the products, I'm kind of like, but all of these products are just amazing, and I think I have a great variety for like skincare, hair care, and then like house care. So that's what I'm really excited about. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed the products. Let me know if you got the Fortune Cookie Soap, and tell me which products are your favorite, which ones you're most excited about. Fortune Cookie Soap is just amazing. I will leave a link down below so you can subscribe to Fortune Cookie Soap. And what else is awesome is if you're not feeling the month, like the theme, or if you don't need products that month, you can always have the option to skip it as well. Thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah.